How to update your shipping address in Klarna. Need to change your shipping address? This guide shows you how you can update your shipping address for a Klarna order so you can get your package delivered to the right place. First, you should know that you cannot change your shipping address directly in the Klarna app. Once you placed an order, the shipping address is with the merchant. You'll need to contact the store directly to change your shipping address. You should contact the merchant as soon as possible, as the order is often shipped the same day. You'll need to provide them with your order number, your full name, and a new delivery address. It is a great way to make sure your package is delivered to the right place. You can also check the status of your order in the Klarna app. You can see if the order has been shipped or not. If it has not been shipped yet, you have a higher chance of changing your shipping address. It is a great way to stay updated with your order. You now know how to update your shipping address. Get ready to get your package delivered in the right place. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.